Kule ngxelo yomphicothi zincwadi ifumanise ukuba imali yethutyana ebekufanele ihlawulwe abasebenzi abaye baphelelwa imisebenzi ngelixesha le-COVID-19 iye ezipokothweni zamagosa karhulumente kuquka namabanjwa. Kunje umphathiswa wesebe lezemisebenzi umnumzana Thulas Nxesi uye wamqumamisa emsebenzini umkomishinala weUIF umnumzana Tebogo Maruping.
As an officer who's heading that particular institution with the issues being raised to him, he must take that particular responsibility. As to whether he's corrupt or not, that will be determined by further investigations.
Umphathiswa uNxesi uye wagxeka ubuxhakaxhaka kweli sebe obungaqinanga nobubangele ukuba kubekho ubuqhophololo.
The IT systems which have been used sometimes by the UIF, including the compensation fund, are not up to scratch. That's why I've made a call to say we need experts to review those systems, to be able to have systems which are going to respond to the demands.
Uthi akanokuthabathela kuye uxanduva loku ngokuba yena ujongene nemigaqo-nkqubo.
These are the day-to-day operational issues and which happened under the officials. The minister cannot be involved also in the issues of the PFMA, the procurement issues, and rightly so, because they might be accused of the interference.
Uthi abanye babo khange bayifumane imali yabo kwinxa yamaxwebhu abo angaphelelanga.
Doesn't mean that those who are applying are supplying all the necessary information. You have to verify the IDs, you have to verify their employment. You can't just simply pay. You have to verify a number of the foreign workers who sometimes there is no documentation. You can't be able to find their details in SARS. You can't simply pay when it comes to those people.
Umnumzana Thulas Nxesi uthi kunje bafumana uncedo kumagosa isebe lezimali kweli ukusombulula imingeni abajongene nayo kweli sebe lezemisebenzi.